Like many cities across the country, Vancouver has a rich and diverse cultural history, and many old buildings and cultural institutions still exist from over a century ago. Vancouver is host to a few of the most haunted places in Canada. It's impossible to talk about hauntings in BC without mentioning the old spaghetti factory, located in Vancouver's historic GasTown neighborhood. It's called the most haunted place in Vancouver, so it wouldn't be a stretch to suggest this might be the most haunted restaurant in Canada. The building is well over 100 years old, and an actual vintage train car is reportedly visited by the deceased conductor who once worked around it. GasTown is the birthplace of Vancouver, and Forbidden Vancouver operates tours to teach people about its dark history.